Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Xiaomi HyperOS. This method is very easy, but make sure your phone battery must be over 50%. Okay, let's start. Just open the settings and then click on About Phone. After clicking on About Phone, just click on MI version, MI Global, which is 14.0.9, which is 1.0.40, and then just click on Download Update. Now it will start downloading. It may take some time, but make sure that your phone battery must be above 50%. And remember one thing, that your phone has Wi-Fi connection or mobile data connection also, because without Wi-Fi or mobile data, it is not possible. By the way, the Xiaomi HyperOS is of 4.5 GB and it contains around 4.5 GB storage. Okay, now after downloading, now it will start updating from 0% to 100%. It may also take some time. So the updation is almost done and the signing is in progress. So after signing, now finalization is starting and it is also done. Now just all you have to guys reboot phone now. Generally we have the window of MI, but now after the updation of HyperOS, we have this window powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. It means your phone is now updated to HyperOS. See, after updation we have a lot more new things in the Redmi. Just if we pull it down, we have new option of music here, which is not here before the update, and many more other options like new wallpaper, new theme, which we will discuss in next video. So that's it about this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If this video is useful for you guys, so just like the video and subscribe us for more videos and comment below for further tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.